Guys, it's Kyra and welcome back to my channel. So for today's video, I'll be doing a quick little get ready with me on this not so classic holiday makeup look. You guys know typically whenever we think of like holiday makeup looks, we think of red lips and like gold eyes. But today I was getting ready. I'm actually getting ready for our holiday church service. And I was like, let me go ahead and play in some non-traditional tones. I don't know why I've been loving more berry tones lately. And what really inspired me today is this new Caridy Picante palette. You guys, the tones in here are just gorgeous. And of course, they're definitely more, you know, warm, red, pink, and berry tones. So I went ahead and tried out this. And then of course, paired the eye look with a really pretty berry lip. Now, throughout the video, I did use new products. So I used this new palette here. I recently picked up the Too Faced Born This Way foundation. So you guys saw that I did try out the Bobbi Brown foundation that did not work at all. So I went to the store and actually exchanged it for a new foundation. I'm still looking for like the perfect, you know, great coverage, but skin-like foundation. And I think I may have found it. Aside from my Lancome, of course, you guys know I love that one. But aside from that one, I think this one may come in at a really, really close second. And whenever I apply it on camera, you guys will see why I love it so much. Literally, this is like love at first application. To me, it's very, very similar as the Lancome because the way it applies is it has great coverage, but it's not mattifying at all. And it kind of just glides on and blends out like butter. It's definitely not full coverage, but it's good enough coverage for me, which I definitely don't mind. I'm trying to get away from like the more cakey, super duper full coverage look. So this to me is like definitely more of a natural finish that I love. And I also tried out two new concealers. I tried out the Too Faced Born This Way multi-use sculpting concealer. I got it in the shade Warm Sand. Oh, and the foundation I am in the shade Maple, which is like a perfect match for me. And then I tried out the shade Warm Sand in the Born This Way concealer, which you guys will see again on camera that I loved. The coverage is amazing, but it's not super bright, which is why I got this shade because I didn't want anything that's too bright. But for this full glam holiday look, I definitely wanted to really brighten up under the eyes. So I added just a hint of the Mercier concealer. This is the Flawless Fusion Concealer in the shade 2W, which is obviously much lighter than I usually apply. I don't usually pick concealers this light, but they sent this one to me, so I have it. But I went ahead and applied this down first and just applied a smidget of this just to brighten under the under eye area. And I honestly love that combination. And both of those together just created a really nice, bright, but still natural under eye. I use those. Oh, I did use one more new thing. I also used the Mercier Secret Brightening Powder. So I've used the translucent one before. This is just a plain white one in the shade 1. And I've used this one before, but they recently sent me the shade 2, which is a deeper shade. Yeah, I see that it's more of a deeper yellow shade. And I use this under my eyes and I love it. So like all these new things that I've, you know, received and that I've tried, I have really, or that I purchased and I've tried, you know, I really did love it to create this look. And I feel like I'm slowly starting to find new holy grails, you guys. I'm trying to try new stuff, okay? I'm trying. So I feel like this combo of products here that I use today is right on target. So I will go ahead and stop rambling and hop into the tutorial. I hope you guys enjoy this, again, this not so classic holiday makeup look, but it's still very fun and festive and full glam, and I'm obsessed, and I hope that you guys are as well. So hope you guys enjoy the tutorial. If you guys do, give it a thumbs up, and also subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and I will catch you guys in my next video. Bye guys.